Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start new chapter 6 algebraic expressions. You have already learned this chapter in your previous class 6. So let's understand this algebraic expression again. So suppose sum of 3 and 8. How can we express it mathematically? Sum of 3 and 8, we will write 3 plus 8. Sum of a number and 6. Sum of a number and 6. So now what is this number? We don't know. So what we will do? We will assume that a number be x. Now sum of a number and 6. So here we have taken only numbers. This is numerical expressions. But in this we have taken, now x is variable and 6 is constants. So we have taken variable and constant. So this is expression. This is algebraic expression. This x, this is variable. What is this? This is variable and this is constants. So now what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of variable and constants connected by some or more all four fundamental operations plus, minus, multiplication and division. So now that this definition is in your book only. So now what is variable? Variable whose value keeps on changing. What is variable? Whose value keeps on changing. So let us suppose one equation. You have done linear equation in your previous class also. So let's suppose x is plus 5 is equal to 6. Now what is the value of x? 6 minus 5. Here x is 1. So let us suppose one more example. X plus 3 is equal to 5. So here x is equal to 2. So see, in this the value of x is 1 and here the value of x is 2. So its value keeps on changing. It depends upon the situation, that what is there in that given in expressions. So this is known as variable. So variables are generally denoted by simple alphabets x, y, z, a, b, c and so on. Now what is constant? Constants are those who have fixed value. Constants are those who have fixed value, whose value remain same. Suppose 5. 5 is equal to 5 only, it is fixed. Suppose 7.5, it is fixed. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. We cannot change its value. So these are known as constants whose value is fixed. Algebraic expressions, a combination of constant and variables connected by any one or more of the symbols. If any one or more of the symbols mean it can be made by one symbol or we can use all the symbols, is known as algebraic expressions. So look at this, for example, 3x plus 5y minus 4. This is example of an algebraic expressions. Here if I have written 5x, so what it means? 5x means 5 multiplied by x. Now the next one is terms of an expression. So what is terms of an expression? Several part of the expressions separated by the sign plus or minus are called the terms of the expressions. So here we have taken the example of an algebraic expressions. So it has three terms, 3x, 5y and 4. We have taken the example 3x plus 5y minus 4. So this is, here we have three terms, first, second and third terms. We will take one more example. If I have written 5xy, so how many terms are here? It is only one term. It is single term. So it means the several parts of the expression separated by the sign plus or minus only. Multiply or division sign do not separate the terms. Suppose we have 3x by 2y. So this means 3x divided by 2y. It's also single term. So these are known as terms of an expression. Types of algebraic expressions. So various types of algebraic expressions are monomials, binomials, trinomials, quadrinomials. What is monomials? An expression which contains only one term. An expression which contain only one term is known as monomials. So here 7a, it is single term. Minus 3xy, it's again single term. As I told you that terms are separated by only plus minus. Terms are not separated by multiplication and division sign. 5p square q. Now what does this 5p square q? It means 5 multiplied by p square multiplied by q. So this is also single term. Binomial, an expression containing two terms is known as binomials. For example, 3x plus 5y, 9a minus 4. So here it is two terms. P square minus 3q square. It's also two terms. Trinomials, an expressions containing three terms is known as trinomials. So here a plus 2b plus 3c. So here we can see there are three terms. P plus 3q minus 4r. So here also three terms is known as trinomials. Quadrinomials, an expression containing four terms. Any expressions which contain four terms is known as quadrinomials. So here it is p plus q plus r minus 4, 2x plus 3y minus 5z plus 7. So you can see here there are four terms. This is known as quadrinomials. So now another one is general polynomials. Any expression which contains two or more expression is known as polynomial. Factors. When two or more constant and variables are multiplied, then each one of them is known as a factor of the product. For example, we have 3xy. So the factors here 3 is numerical factor, whereas x and y are variable factors. Now next is coefficient. What is coefficients? Let's take an example to understand the coefficient. Suppose we have the same number. Suppose for example 5xy. So now the coefficient of x is here in this, the coefficient of x is 5y. Or if we take one more example, minus 3x minus 3ab. So we can say coefficient of b is minus 3a. So like terms. When terms in an algebraic expression have the same literal or variable factor are known as like terms. Let's take an example. 5a, 3a minus 8a. So all these are like terms. Why? Here the variable factor is same in all these three terms. So these are like terms. So what are unlike terms? When in terms in an algebraic expression does not have same literal factors or variable factors are known as unlike terms. Suppose minus 3xy, here it is minus 3yz and minus 3ab. So we can see here numerical factor is same in all the numbers, but the variable factor is different. So these are known as unlike terms, because in algebraic expressions we see only literal factors. If the literal or variable factors are same, these terms are known as like terms. If the variable factors are not same, are known as unlike terms.